Oh, okay. Okay, this is what I'm kind of afraid of doing, because I have to go refer back to the video that me and Gio did just so I can remember how it's done again, because I can't really call Mr. Krotz and be like, Mr. Krotz, what do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Help me.
Doing, taking stuff out and putting it back together.
Is this similar to systems under definition?
No, it's not similar to new definition. Let's go, come on. Get back, let's go. We got it. We got it, y'all. We got it. Wait up, yeah! Come on! We got it. We did it. It's good. We ain't blow up in GTA. We're good to real today. I said, come on.